So all the courses are divided into units, and then those units are divided into study sections. So you can pick the course up and study a section and then put it back down and come back to it later. It's very easy to pick it up and put it down. Also, the courses are all supplemented with movie lectures, so you get to see the actual teachers talking about the subject. And then, of course, you've got the books that come with the courses, and you've got the internet, which is a great resource, and our online learning system with all the resources that come with that, and the social interaction with other students and, of course, your tutor. So what we're trying to build here is a blended learning. We're trying to bring all the different aspects of study and learning together so that you can find the best way that suits you. So you do a bit of reading, you do a bit of research, you do a bit of watching of the lectures, you can ask your tutor questions, you can interact with other students, and then in that way you're getting the really rich learning experience. And then at the end of each unit, you simply complete the assignments and send them in. You actually upload them to the online learning system. And then our tutors, a few days later, will give you full written feedback on how you're doing. And so the course is continual assessment, and then you just move your way through the units in that way, supported, learning, hopefully being really inspired, learning more about yourself and learning how to be a healer in the discipline that really interests you. So take a look through the website, see if there are any questions that you have, and if there are, drop us a line and we'll be able to help you. Thanks.